Apple says the iPhone 17 event will be hard dropping. Lovely, but Nigerians, now we go ask, is this phone ready for us? Today I will show you what's new, what Apple won't say out loud, and why I'm not rushing to buy iPhone 17. Let's talk facts, not hype. My name is Ayodele and this is AY Excellent Tech, practical honest tech from a Nigeria point of view. iPhone 17 here, the Pro and the Pro Max, will break it down, the leaks down, and make sense of them for Nigeria. Now, we have the iPhone 17, the 17 here, and the 17 Pro, 17 Pro Max also, which will be released on September 9th. Just about a few days to that event, and it's going to be an all-dropping event for Apple. But is it going to be all-dropping for us, or jaw-dropping, or pocket dropping? Now, let's look at what the hair headline goes for. The Air rumored to be 5.5 mm thin, 6.6 OLED, and 120 Hz ProMotion. That's a beautiful screen with fast glistering touch. That's a beautiful one. The chips will get A19 on here, A19 Pro on Pro models, and up to 12 gig of RAM. There's going to be a vapor chamber cooling rumored to be on the Pros. The camera here with a single 48 MP rear and 24 MP selfie camera. Pros keep multi lenses set up with telephoto upgrade. Charging and connectivity, Wi-Fi 7, new modem, reverse wireless charging on Pros. Reverse wireless charging. Okay, let's see how it goes. The software launches with iOS 26 with Apple's new AI features baked in. Just like they told us in iPhone 16. Now, for the base iPhone 17, let's look at what it got for us. It's going to have the 6.3-inch 120Hz LTPO display, A19 chip with maybe 8 gig of RAM. That's a trade you get for the base model. You are going to get a 48 MP wide camera and 24 MP selfie camera. Price is expected to be around $799 to $849, but no fiscal SIM slot. eSIM-only. Imported price would hit about 1.4 to 1.5 million plus. For iPhone 17 Pro, the Pro families, A19 Pro chip, vapor chamber cooling, rumored, triple 48 MP rear cameras, reverse wireless charging, 12 gig of RAM, Wi-Fi 7. Price is going to be about 1,049, eating up to 1.7 million plus here in Nigeria. If you convert 1,049, you get about 1.6 million plus. But then, as a reseller, we had some transport fee and custom fee. We'll add all those ones. Remember my video on why prices of phones are higher in Nigeria. Now, for iPhone 17 Pro Max, you get a whooping 6.9-inch 120Hz OLED advanced camera bar, A19 Pro, 12 gig of RAM, 5,000 mAh battery, starts at around $1,249, easily 2 million plus in Nigeria. But that invite heat map vibe, people read it as vapor chamber cooling, cooler phones, more sustained performance, pro telephoto rumors talks of IRS sensor and multiple optical zoom levels. Accessory leaks suggest an official crossbody strap, but in Nigeria, we all know we get the case first before the strap. Battery trade-off. Here's ultra thin frame means 2,800 mAh with 120 Hz and AI. Endurance may suffer. eSIM-only is widely rumored. In Nigeria, eSIM exists, but activation is wala. I've been trying to activate Airtel eSIM on my iPhone 15 Pro Max for some time now. I've not been able to do it. They said things are down. I don't know. Many things are down. Even Naira is down. So fees, the rural gaps in store visit, pricing is going to be about 1.5 million plus for hair and 2 million naira for Pro Max. Now, will you be dropping this money? One thing I've come to realize is that price drops after launch. Older iPhones fall fast. Now, iPhone 16 is about 1.4 million now. After 17, expect it to be about around 1.2 million plus, 1.2 million thereabout. Imports had 20 to 35% to US sticker, and eSIM works best in cities, but physical SIM is still king. If Apple goes eSIM only, some Nigerians will struggle, and if you already have iPhone 15 or 16, you have 90% of the new features. So why are you buying iPhone 17? iOS 26 lands on older iPhones too. So your 15 Pro Max, your 16 Pro Max, your 14 and up to XR, they get 26. So I am not buying iPhone 17 at launch, not because no money. If you send me money, I will still buy. But because value. In Nigeria, launch week pricing don't smile. I will wait about 3 to 6 months for stabilization or grab a discounted 16 or 16 Pro Max. Meanwhile, I will invest in gear that will level up this channel. That's why I need you to subscribe to the channel. Please, can you do so right away? Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Okay, you have done that. My verdict is iPhone 17 Air and Pro look clean, thin, fast, smarter, but for Nigerian, eSIM reality, battery trade-offs, and launch pricing are real gist. Will you buy at 1.5 million plus or an eSIM-only phone, or wait for price to drop? Tell me in the comment section what you think. I'll be there to wait for you. Subscribe for the Nigerian Truth on Tech. No hype, just send. This is AY Excellent. When are you buying your 17 Pro and Pro Max? Or hey, which one are you buying? Let me know in the comment section. I'll be there for you. Till we meet again. Catch ya. Bye.